morning, everyone. Today's gonna be a great day. Because I said so. Later on, me and Laura are going to the finale taping of RuPaul's Drag Race for the season. So I'm so excited. So I'm gonna film a little Get Ready With Me today. Just like chit-chat, fucking vent, the whole nine today.
Just finished filming a tutorial on this look. Whew. It's like a full face first impressions, almost. So a video on this look will be going up this week. I like how it turned out. It's really pretty. So I tossed these little things on because it's kind of draggy and I'm going to the Drag Race finale. What do you guys think? I think it's cute. I changed the lash because I thought it would be better to do a more fluffy lash with the bottom lashes. Yeah. So we're here at the Drag Race finale. I'm so freaking sick. I'm with this chica. So cute. Come on, Manny, anyway. We have Todrick right behind us. Ricky. Joey Graceffa. Got Laura right here. It's a cute little moment.
It was a long day.
It's the longest day I've ever had.
Ever.
What's up, you guys? Sorry, I've been so MIA today. We were at the taping of RuPaul's Drag Race, the finale, and you're not allowed to have your phones out at all. So that's kind of why I've been so MIA today. It was absolutely fucking amazing. I absolutely love the taping. Like, I went last year as well, and I had such a great time. Honestly, Team Sasha all the way. I think Sasha is such an incredible drag queen. I love Shea and Sasha. Those are my top two. Like, in my heart, they're top two. I don't know if you guys already know the outcome of how it came out tonight with the top people or whatever. I don't want to ruin anything at all. But I had such a fun time, and I'm Team Sasha and Shea. All I'm going to say is that Sasha's performance tonight had me gagged on the ground. I stood up, screamed, lost all of it. Lost every impossible.